my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like. Guys, I was actually thinking to take rest today, but then Varanasi to the world, Mahesh Babu is here in front of me. So what can I do? I have to react to it ASAP, right? Because you guys would be waiting for it. And I don't want to keep you waiting. So let's do this. Varanasi to the world, Mahesh Babu, Priyanka Chopra and Prithviraj are the star cast. We know it. We have checked out the music video, right? Presenting Mahesh Babu as Rudra in Varanasi. So that's the role that he's playing. On the Rise to the World, the cast I already talked to you, and this is Rajamouli film. It's gonna be a spectacular one. Producers KL Narayana, SS Kartikeya. Cool. That's all the info. We got it covered. Let's check this one out. Caps. There's no caps. Oh shit. Would I understand if we watch it? Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's go. Sri Durgats. Showing business. From the director of Bahubali and RRR. Epic production is gonna come on the screen. We'll watch Varanasi 512 CE. Asteroid Shambhala. Rose Ice Shelf Antarctica. The camera work is taking me into the depths of the water. I'm most feeling in wilderness Africa. It's like I'm watching a geography channel. Like the quality is really good. Banachar. What? Ugravati Cave. Ooh. This place. Another one will be saying Lanka Naga. Wait for you guys. Look at that. Hanuman, right? Manikarnika Ghat Varanasi. Okay. Yo! Look at that! Damn, damn. This man is just unreal. Looking, right? How can he be so handsome? Let's go back and forth. Adam Shivani. What Nazis? They showed the entire face first and then the king there. So he goes to all these places probably, the globe plotter, right? Right off the bat, let's talk about Mahesh Babu as Rudra. Oh my god, that man is so gorgeous. It's unbelievable. I cannot. I was starstruck for the first time. The happiness was truly coming outside of me. Like, it was unstoppable. I know that he would do justice for the role of Rudra. This is gonna be a global film. Varanasi by S.S. Rajamouli, just like how RRR went, Bahubali went, we know this one is also gonna go off charts and make it to the global scale. People are gonna love the visuals. Of course, the storyline is gonna be more Indian rooted, so that's gonna be a plus, right? The music gives you the ultimate feel of, having the whole experience in a bite. The music that we heard, the Globetrotter, right? That Samhari one, Samhari, that song was also lit. By the way, if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. So, him being a globetrotter is completely understandable now because they showed the entire globe in the beginning. Right, of the first few scenes, they took us underneath the water to all the places inside a cave and showed us a lot of wonderful culture that we have in India, right? And these kind of stuff would work globally. Firstly, it's informative, and there's a handsome young man in front of us playing the role. This one's gonna be absolute cinema. Looks, just with the looks, we know the action, the storytelling, and visually, it's gonna do us justice. Book the tickets now, even if it's not released. Pre-book it. Let's look at the comments. People are gonna be mind blown, right? That Lord Hanuman and Ram shot is pure goosebumps. Yo, even I was like, you saw my face, right? S.S. Rajamouli always push boundaries in Indian cinema. He's a visionary director, looks fantastic. Rajamouli sir has this thing that he can think ahead of his time. And he knows what people want. That's what's good about a good director, right? When he foresees a good collection. That's the reason why the production quality is so lit. The only director who has more fan base than any actor in Indian cinema, and the only director who has zero flops in his career. Because, come on, his all films was a blockbuster in the box office. The amount of collection that he has made on a global scale, I can't even count it with my fingers. It's crazy. First time in history, Mahesh Babu changed his hairstyle. He's laughing. Is this for real? Has he never changed his hairstyle? But I like the open hair that he had and the intense look, right? Oh my god, it was so hot, guys. For Rajamouli, this man is literally born to make history. He is a historical man. The kind of movies, the time period that he sets his films are a history, right? Like they say, old is gold, and he knows it. So he digs deeper to give us good films. The best promotion of this movie is that name, S.S. Rajamouli. That's enough, right? The best director in the fucking country is S.S. Rajamouli. Just saying his name, people were like, yeah, that's gotta be a good film. The shot of Lord Hanuman and Ram itself is iconic enough to make this movie a blockbuster. It was pure goosebumps. Everybody's saying that. They're all excited. If I were having a time machine, I would have gone 7200 BCE, 5000 BCE, and 1 BCE to Varanasi and see the city and come back to inform the Rajamouli sir. This movie will be going to break all records of Indian cinema. Varanasi is not just a city. City wise, oh my god, what was that visually? So pretty, right? Oh, not Adipurush harmed on the teaser. Thanks, Rajamouli sir. They just roasted Adipurush on the way. I am from Varanasi heart. This movie is going to be a freaking blockbuster. Come on, people from Varanasi has also given a thumbs up, right? Time travel 100% because time trotter means time traveler. Did they say time trotter? They said globe trotter, right? Globe trotter is somebody who travels the world. Time trotter, I'm not sure, but if he says so, let's believe him. Mahesh as Rudra, fire, 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 fire. Him in that role itself. When I saw the first shot, I was mind blown away, guys. If you enjoyed the reaction, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, support Mahesh Babu in the comments below, and I will see you on the next one probably very soon. Until then, take care. See ya. Bye. No filter, I got no filter.